everyone, today we're gonna make a tomato chaat. Now we will add water to make dough. After making the dough, we can brush some oil on top of the dough and then cover it with a cloth. After making dough, we can brush some oil. After making dough, we can brush some oil on top, and then we can put a cloth on top for at least a half an hour or 30 minutes. After cutting into shapes, you can put it in a tray for 30 minutes. After cutting the shapes, we can fry the fun pani puri shapes. Hello everybody, today we are making one bite chaat with fun shapes. So first you pop it. And then you put some onions inside. And then we can put some chane. And some chutney. And meaty chutney too. And then some yogurt. Potato. A leaf to top it, and there you have it. Here is a one bite chaat with fun shapes. Please remember to subscribe, like, and comment. We are very thankful for you for watching this video. Bye.